Guys, I have Eddy's phone because I'm filming, and also welcome back to Bird Temper Tantrum. So, what I'm going to do is prank Eddy. He made a medicine for Jurassic World, and he's going to test it with with a gadget, and he also has he's gonna drink it, and he's gonna gadget to see if he'll be sick or not. And he's got the emergency medicine for just in case. So I have this empty bottle, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pee in it and make it think he's drinking the medicine. I have the medicine hidden somewhere. So let's get to it. I gotta get to a toilet in his work. Here's the toilet. And wait, where do I put this? Phew. Oh no, I forgot to close the door, but luckily no one saw me. Look at that. It's full of my urine. And I'm going to give it to Eddy, and when he gets grossed out, it will be really funny. Red. Yes, Eddy? Do you have that medicine? Yeah, right here. Alright, let's do it. Hi. Oh, alright. Alright. Hey, this smells like urine. Did I make it urine style? What's so funny? What did you do? Oh, I'm pretty sure you couldn't have done this. I think I did make this out of make it urine smell. Gosh. Boy, how stinky. And tastes funny too. What are you laughing about? Seriously. I peed in the medicine cup. You what? Are you kidding me? Oh gosh, look at this. Look at this. What am I gonna do? That is not funny. I can't believe you peed in a medicine cup. Now I'm gonna have to waste that emergency medicine. I'll be right back. Oh, I gotta pour this in the toilet now. Did you see how dark green he did it? Now I gotta go wash this. Sir? Sir, Red peed in the potion bottle, in one of the potion bottles. Get him out of here. I don't want him anymore. And he's gotta wash that before he leaves. Alright, I'll go tell him.
Red, go wash this now. The boss wants you to wash this before we leave. I'll call my mom to come get him, alright? Alright. Can't believe you, Red. You are grounded when I get home. I'm gonna give him back for this. We need some M&Ms to wash this. Whoa. Wash this down. I'm gonna get him back for this. Just wait, you will see I will get him back. So, I'll come up with a plan for the video I'm going to prank Red with. So, see you guys soon. Bye.